Today we are going to discuss about equations of motion. Let's first understand what are equations of motion. When an object moves along a straight line with uniform acceleration, we can relate its velocity, acceleration during motion, and the distance covered by it in a certain time interval by a set of equations. And these set of equations are known as equations of motion. Here, we need to understand certain things. The first one is uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration means uniform change in velocity, and this is necessary. So, with uniform change in velocity only, these equations of motion will work. Means, with non-uniform motion, we don't use these equations of motion. Secondly, with the help of these equations, we can say how terms like initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, distance, or time are related to each other. There are three equations of motion. The first one is V is equal to U plus AT. This first equation gives us velocity-time relation. Second one is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. It gives us position-time relation. And the third one is 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. And this gives us velocity-position relation. Remember, in these equations, U means initial velocity, V means final velocity, A stands for acceleration, S is distance or displacement, and T is time. See, we can derive these equations by two methods. One is graphical method and the other one is algebraic method. We will discuss these two methods in our next session. But before we end this video, let's first get these things clear. Here, I said S is equal to distance or displacement. Remember, when the object is traveling on a straight line with uniform motion, we know that distance is equal to displacement. For example, if an object is traveling from point A to point B, so the distance here is AB and the displacement is also AB. So we should not get confused with this.